Hello guys, welcome back to Fish Academy. Yeah, today I am in Mr. Ukpe's farm. Mr. Ukpe. Mr. Ukpe happens to be one of my followers on this channel who has watched so many of my videos, and today he decided to visit my farm, and after he visited my farm, he drove me down here to his farm. This is Mr. Ukpe. Mr. Ukpe is the one on purple shirt, and you see this is his farm, and he has been making much money from this farm, and he said that he wants to set up a fish pond, a fish farm together with the poultry here, and he needed me to come and see the space, the land, and to advise him on how to go about it and the setup and every other thing, that he wants to make more money. So I decided to visit the farm, and we've seen the site. It's a very nice site. This is a battery cage system, and if you look closely, the birds, they are doing well, and they have just finished picking the eggs. The eggs are very, very much. In fact, I'm going to take you to. You are going to see the eggs that were picked today. Very, very many. Yeah. And this is a battery cage system, as you say, is a very big poultry farm. And these are the domes. If you construct it this way, this is a dome. This is the dome, and I think they are going to, according to him, that they are going to clear it up very, very soon. And it's a very good, very, very good for plants. The fowl dome, very, very good for plants. So whenever he remove the dome, he also spread it in the land, the farm, just inside this place, inside these premises, and the plants do very, very well. So this is Mr. Ukpe once again, a young, vibrant Nigerian who have decided to help feed the Nigerian nation, a population of 180 million people. This is the poultry house, and this is the space. Can you see? Very, very big. It's a very large space here, and it can accommodate as many as regards setting up another structure for the poultry, and also setting up the fish farm. Is a very large farm. So this is the chief security of the farm. The chief security, we have the human, we have the chief security, and I believe they do feed him very well. As I said, these are the eggs that we picked today. These are the eggs, very, very many, and demand for egg is also very, very high. The same way demand for fish is also very high. So what they want to do here today is to create, though the eggs were not all picked today, so they are going to create all these eggs, and also is going to take it to supply to his customers. And I've advised him that once the fish farm is set up, what they will need to do, the cracked eggs, they will use it, will mix it with the food that we will be producing in order to feed the fish. And this is also animal protein, which is very, very good for fish. So it's now time to load the eggs inside the hillocks, and we're going to move it to supply the owners. Mr. Ukpe gave me a lot of eggs, and I'm very, very happy. And with time, the fish farm is going to be set. This is Mr. Ukpe once again. So thank you for checking on my channel. It's nice doing business.